Hello. It is Wednesday, May 11th, I think, 2022. I am still in Copenhagen. I went out yesterday and I made a few videos, took a bike, went around the city. It was very rainy, not really sure how that came out. Haven't had a chance to look at the video yet, but I will post them as soon as I can. Today I'm going to take a bike down to Christiania. We'll go down to Christiania and see what the free town or the free zone of Copenhagen is all about. So let's get going. Well, here we are, Christiania in Copenhagen. Here I am getting ready to jaywalk and pay the price. 30 years in prison for jaywalking. First impression really is that there's just a lot of spray paint everywhere. Whatever, maybe that's part of the shtick. Maybe that's part of the signature Christiania is all the spray paint. No, because the signature Christiania is the drugs. Apparently it's a lot of drugs here. Big giant Buddha. Little skate park here. Looks like a skate park. Americans, you can hear them a mile away, kind of like me. I should get this for my wife. She'd have no idea what it means. I'm gonna go get a selfie at the entrance and then walk to the other part, which is behind me. Getting hungry. I want pizza. That's what I want. Skate park. El socio. Is what I need. Easy English. Jim found the letter for himself on the breakfast table one cold morning in December. Yeah, Jim, good luck with AIDS. That was really judgmental. Should have said something like, yeah, Jim, good luck with cancer. Or Get out of here. Yeah, Jim. Yeah, Jim. Good luck with type 2 diabetes. Yeah, Jim. Well, good luck with sickle cell anemia. Yeah, Jim. Oh, good luck with early onset Alzheimer's. Yeah, Jim. Good luck with Munchausen syndrome. Oh, there's an ATM down here. How much I know. It's the residential area of Christiania. And some of these houses look really nice. I had read that in recent years, people were trying to change the reputation of Christiania, and we're actually putting up signs that said, get your drugs elsewhere, go do your drugs somewhere else. They were trying to make it more into, I guess they were trying to make it into more of a family-friendly environment. This little area is actually quite interesting because we are in the middle of downtown Copenhagen, and this feels like a little village. I'd imagine these houses are actually quite expensive. Some of them look like they need a little bit of work, but I would still think that a house of this size, in this location, in this city, would be quite expensive. Now, is this... I don't know if this is public property. I'm going to assume it's public property. I'm going to assume that it is okay to walk down here. I mean, imagine having like this house right here. Now, I don't know what the other side is, but even like this house is beautiful. Hello. Is this private property or public? Am I okay to walk around?
Of course, but you can't get anywhere here.
Oh, okay.
This is, yeah.
Okay.
At the end of the line.
All right. Thank you.
There's nothing private. It's Christiania, but since we bought the place, it's sort of private.
Yeah.
But you're allowed to go and enter.
Thank you.
No problem. Have a good one.
You too. This is a beautiful little area right here. Beautiful. From a distance, this area looks like a post-apocalyptic area that's like overgrown. It is pretty neat how there's like that walkway bridge, and then on top of the walkway bridge they have chairs. It looks like a little vine thingy. Reminds me of how in Jug in the Faroe Islands you had the picnic tables over top of the bathrooms, where I said all you would have to do is just drill a hole and then put toilet seats on the benches, and then that way you could just When I was looking for Airbnbs, I actually found a couple of homes that were in Christiania proper, and I thought about staying, but my main concern was it's all foot traffic. Cars can't get here, and I was afraid a taxi would have to drop me off like a mile away from where I'm staying, and then I'd have to drag my bags. Where does that go? I want to open it. It's locked. urban gardening, which is pretty cool. When I was in my early and mid 20s, I dated this girl who was super, like, by the time when I met her, she was eating cheesesteaks. But by the time we parted ways, she was full on vegan. Was doing dreadlocks and always burning incense and wearing tights with combat boots. And I feel like this is where she would live. I have no idea where she is now. It was 15, 20 years ago. So who knows where she is now, but I feel she might be here, because you see a lot of the types that like have dreadlocks and they're burning incense and they look like they're 40, 50 years old, and they don't even necessarily aren't pothead. I mean, she looked like a pothead, but she didn't really smoke pot. She just kind of had that aesthetic and that look to her, and that's what I feel like is happening here. It also smells like piss. But other than that, she didn't smell like piss. Christiania, a little bit. Another mistake I'm making is that it's Christiania, Christiania. I gotta keep that in the old noggin. Christiania. Is this where Russell Brand lives? Could be. Now I think about it, could be. I bet one of the Airbnbs I was looking at was one of these places, probably. I think I got to look at a map. I don't know where the hell I'm going. Okay, yeah, I'm headed nowhere, so we're gonna turn around. Well, we're leaving Christiania. We're leaving Christiania for the land of pizza. We are back in the EU, back in Copenhagen. I forgot to bring stickers. I should have brought some stickers. I just realized there's an app for electronic bikes and electronic scooters, and I think that would be more up my alley than just a bike that you have to pedal. Actually, here's one right here. Up here and to the right, there are more electronic bikes. So instead of getting pizza, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get on an electronic bike, head back to my part of Copenhagen, get pizza there. If I can get a pizza near my house, I'll get it to go so I can take it home, eat it, and do some work. That sounds like a good option. But that was Christiania. And all in all, you know, it was about kind of what I expected. It wasn't anything life-shattering. It wasn't anything like, this is freedom, man. This is what freedom's all about. Why do you want to be a corporate wage slave? You're just a tool of the perpetual war machine, man. Christiania's free, man. I mean, I'm sure it's great. I'm sure it was wonderful. And I'm sure the people that live there are happy. But I didn't see anything particularly great or wonderful or happy about it. It kind of just seemed like a big, large homeless encampment. Kind of like the kind of homeless encampments you would see in Portland. I hate kids. But no, it reminded me of Portland, Oregon, actually. In parts of Portland, you'll see homeless people underneath bridges, which is tents. And that's kind of what Christiania reminded me of. maybe I'm being a jerk right now. I don't mean to be. I'm just trying to be honest. And it smelled like pee. I didn't think it was anything great.